part 3 of the DealerVault Overview Series. In the last video, we gave you an in-depth look into managing, adding, and editing your vendor feeds. Now we're going to show you how to get the most out of your reporting and how to adjust group and user configurations. Let's get to it. Our reporting feature in DealerVault enables you to track all of your vendor deliveries within 90 days of the data being sent. You can download and view the exact file that was sent to your vendor. So if there are any discrepancies between you and your vendor, you can find and verify what they received using the DealerVault reporting feature. For example, you can verify that a specific data field or record was in fact sent to your vendor. On the top of your screen, you will see a menu of additional functionality. We will begin with Group Management. Group Management allows you to manage your feeds at a group level rather than a store level. By clicking on Group Management, you can see all the feeds for every single one of your stores. Group Management gives you an overall snapshot of all the pending and complete feeds that you have for your entire group. You can also see some basic information that you'd find under the Data Content Summary, like the last time we received data for that file type, basic delivery information, and record counts. The section allows you to take action immediately on the feed, similar to the dashboard. For each store, you can reactivate, deactivate, and edit the feeds, and you can identify if the feed is pending or if it's complete. Group Management is a one-stop shop for every store in your group. The mapping section gets a little more technical and should only be used by someone who understands DMS mappings. If you have specific mappings or custom field mappings where you want one field to map to another field from your DMS, this section will be used to edit the mapping to go to the field of your choice. Mappings are available for each file type, and you have access to see what delivery field maps to which DMS field. Again, I do want to stress that mapping gets very technical and should only be edited by someone with experience. The next section is User Management. User Management is available for DealerVault Group or Store admins. Use the User Management feature to grant access to other users, manage permission levels per store, add users, and reset passwords. There are a few different user permissions to choose from when adding a user. Group Admin gives group-level administrative permissions. Group admins can add or disable users, change user permissions, add, edit, and deactivate feeds for all stores, and can determine which stores the other DealerVault users have access to. Store Access allows the user access to store functions, such as adding and deactivating feeds, but does not permit access to add or modify users. Store Admin is a hybrid of Store Access and Group Admin. A Store Admin has all the functionality of Store Access, but also has administrative permissions similar to Group Admin. The difference is Store Admin only has access to certain stores rather than your entire dealership group. If someone is no longer on your staff or no longer needs access to DealerVault, you can disable their permissions and access by clicking the deactivation icon. Finally, you can click Change Password to update your own password. Thank you for watching Part 3 of the DealerVault Overview Series. We hope you found the series informative and valuable. Please send your feedback or questions to feedback@authenticom.com.